Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to copy a message on the Signal application in 2021. Very easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is head over to the Signal application and open that up. Once you're on Signal, you just have to go to a chat that you want to copy the message from. So let's just say if I wanted to copy it from this chat right here, I'd go ahead and click on that and then just find a message that you want to copy. So let's just say if I wanted to copy this message that says test right here, all you have to do is long press on that. And then at the very bottom, you will see it shows you a garbage can and these little two pieces of paper. That's the copy one. So you just want to click on the two pieces of paper and that will then copy that message. And then of course, to paste it, you just long press on the new message option. And then you'll see an option for paste. You can go ahead and click on that and then just send the message off and it'll then be pasted and you can send it just like that very easily. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to copy messages on the Signal application in 2021. This video does help you. Be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.